Good morning. It is January 1st, 2020. And I have not posted a video. I'm sick. Ignore that. But I have not posted a video on this channel in like 4 months. Something like that. This video is very raw. Obviously, day after New Year's Eve. But I just wanted to start off the year pretty raw and just tell you guys what I'm gonna do with this channel moving forward. So I've completely decided to drop out, or I guess you could say not do, because I never started. But I did go through with the full process of going back to school. But I'm no longer going to do that. I am not taking any grant money, scholarship money, any money from the government, financial aid, any books, any classes for nursing school at all. I'm completely not doing it. I realize that I physically, mentally, emotionally cannot do it. It's not for me. I told myself for the longest time that it probably is for me, but it's not. I have to be real. It is not for me. So with that being said, I am completely going to focus my attention to YouTube, because this is just fun for me, and I feel like the past, I don't know, I wouldn't even say 10, probably since I graduated college, that I have not been having any fun at all. I haven't been doing anything fun. I haven't been doing anything interesting, or creative at all. So I've decided that for the full year of 2020 to just focus completely on 100% on my YouTube channel. Now, I am going to explain the direction of this channel. So I am going to focus this on a lifestyle. I'm just going to call it lifestyle, mainly because I don't want to just focus my channel on one topic. I want it to be vlogs. I want it to be makeup. I want it to be workouts. I want it to be food. I want it to be my boyfriend and me. I want it to be just everything. So that's what I'm doing. It's going to be just a lifestyle channel. I'm going to be doing a bunch of things on it, whether it be mukbangs, makeup tutorials, any trips we go on, I want to vlog them. But we also have our own vlog channel, which we are going to be posting a video on, but he is currently sick, so because of me. So we will film that later. But as for this channel, I do have a lot of ideas for it. I want to continue with it. I want it to thrive. I want to give good content to you guys. I want to just be able to be myself, because where I'm at right now in life, I'm not who I think I am. I'm being something else for others, if that makes sense. So we're gonna not do that anymore. I know that's a lot easier said than done, but here I am. And I just can't do it anymore. So I am focusing all of my time, all of my energy onto this channel, and that's what we're gonna do. I did buy a few makeup pieces that I want to share with you guys in another video, so I'm going to do that too. But for now, I just wanted to update you, let you know I'm going to put all of my efforts into this channel for 2020. As for schedule, I am very an all or nothing type of person. I am very cold turkey. If I don't do it cold turkey, I won't do it. If I allow myself to do this, allow myself to do that, it won't work. So I have to go cold turkey. I'm going to just try and post as much as I freaking possibly can. If it's a day where I have time to get a video up, it's going up. it's going to be around 3 to 5 days a week is what I want. So what day that is, not making any promises on that yet, but it will happen. This video is going up today, January 1st. So yeah, let me go edit this, get this up, and I will see you throughout the rest of 2020. Bye.